Hey guys, today's video is a Dollar Tree haul, but I also have some Dollar Tree hacks and DIYs to share with you guys. Hello you guys, and welcome back to Ria's World of Ideas. If you are new to my channel, I am Ria, and on my channel I love sharing all the ideas that I find helpful in my life and home, and hopefully you'll find them helpful in your life and home as well. So if you're not a subscriber already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave this video, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're always notified on all the new videos that I put out. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed it so that I'm able to bring more videos to you guys in the future that you guys would like. So with all that being said, let's just jump into today's video. And like I said, today's video is a Dollar Tree haul, but I also have some Dollar Tree hacks and DIYs to share with you guys with the items I purchased. So it's going to be a little bit different video. Normally I just share with you guys what I bought, and later on I will do some DIYs or some hacks for you guys. But I decided that I would share with you guys what I bought and give you guys some tips and hacks and some DIYs with the actual products that I bought this time. So let's just jump right in. So first I want to start off with the summer stuff, the barbecue stuff, because that's the stuff that's out right now, and I want to give you guys some tips and stuff that you can purchase right now since they're out and about. So lately they have been bringing out different barbecue things, but I've noticed that not only is it like the barbecue things, it's also the kitchen items. They have been bringing out new kitchen items in a bunch of different colors, and when they do, they have them in like I think 4 or 5 different colors, and they have not only like tongs, they have bowls, they have plates, there's so many new things in the kitchen and barbecue area that you guys have to go to Dollar Tree and check them out. One of the things that I was really excited to see were these tongs. Now we've seen these tongs before, but now they have them in different colors. And what I like about having them in different colors is that I can color code them for the type of meat that I'm using. Whenever you are cooking, you do not want to use the same tongs that you use for the raw meat for the cooked meat. And that's like, a lot of times I've been to like well, not a lot of times, but I've been to a barbecue a couple times where I've seen somebody put the meat on the barbecue with the same tong as they took off the other, took the meat off, and I'm like, I'm not gonna eat it, because I'm like, you need to have one tong that's for raw meat and then one tong that's for, for the cooked meat, because you don't want to cross-contaminate. So I love the fact that they came out with these 3 colors. I'm not sure if there's any other colors because I only saw these 3. I got the black one just for like every day because I love having, black and white things in my kitchen. So this is for like every day. I can use this for anything. But I especially liked the red and the blue one because I can color code it saying that, okay, the blue one is for raw meat and the red one is for cooked meat. So now I know whenever I'm flipping something or taking something off, the air fryer, or whenever I'm cooking in my kitchen, I know that this is what I use for raw meat and this is what I use for cooked meat. So there is no cross-contaminating. So that is a tip for you guys. If you guys see these color tongs, you can definitely color coordinate it so that you know what is for raw meat and what is for cooked meat, so that way you don't cross-contaminate and everybody can stay healthy. So the next item that I want to share with you guys is also in the kitchen area, and it's called a spoon rest. We've seen these before, but I think there was only like black ones, and white ones, but now they came out with 4 different colors. The first one I want to share with you guys is this beautiful robin egg blue. Everybody loves it. You guys know I love it. It's one of my favorite colors. This baby blue and this light blue and baby pink is like my favorite colors. And then of course they brought out a red one. Everybody always decorates red for their kitchens, especially like during summertime. I think that's like the feel for it. They also have a black one that looks like this. And then they also have this navy blue, which is perfect for right now if you are decorated in in the summer decor, which you guys know, if you guys have seen my summer clean and decorate with me video, I decorate a lot in like navy blues and light blues. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put the link down below, but this is like the perfect color for the summer. So I got one of each so that way I can have them kind of like if I'm decorating my kitchen, I can have one each for the holidays. So I can have like this one right now, and I could have the red one for Christmas, and then I do decorate with these light blues kind of like in the fall time. This light blue kind of goes with like the fall colors. So, or you can also just use it for like the winter colors, but then you can also have the extra black one for whatever you want too. So you can have one of each for like the holidays, or you can just have them color code them the same thing way I do the tongs. If you want to have it to where you use these 2 just like with the tongs that the blue tongs go on here and the red tongs go on here. Or if you have some tongs that are like more metal and you want to do like where you don't cross contaminate, but you want to kind of color code which one they are, you can have your set of metal ones and put the raw tong on the blue one and then the cooked one on the red one, so you can color coordinate with the spoon rest. So if you don't want to do it with the tongs, you can also do it with these. So I think these are a good buy. Again, like I said, there's a lot of new things in the kitchen. They have mixing bowls in these colors. They have cups in these colors. They have cutting boards now in these colors. And they also have like a mint green one that I saw. I didn't see the spoon rest, but I did see the cutting board for it. So right now, if you need anything new in the kitchen or you want to change the color scheme in your kitchen, definitely go to Dollar Tree right now, because they have so many beautiful new kitchen things and a bunch of beautiful different colors. Another thing that I wanted to share with you guys that I didn't want you guys to pass up, that is a good deal, are these deli baskets. Now, we've seen them before, and it actually surprised me because I thought I've never wanted to buy them before, but I actually thought that you just got one for $1.25. When I went to go pick it up, it's actually a set of 4. And I'm gonna tell you why this is a good deal. I have been seeing different Instagrammers and YouTubers set up like hot dog bars, potato bars, which are really like good ideas for the summertime. And they've used these little like deli basket trays, but they have a link to them on Amazon. Now on Amazon, you get about 12 of these and like the paper that comes with it for $19. Guys, you can get 4 of these for $1.25. And even if you get like, if you want the same set as like if you wanted to get 12 just like you would get from Amazon, it will still only be $3.75 as opposed to $19. So save your money. Do not buy this on Instagram. You can buy, I mean not Instagram, do not buy this on Amazon. You can definitely buy this on, you know, at Dollar Tree. And this is just great for like the hot dogs, a potato bar, your corn, everything. You could do so many different like things for like parties, or like I said, you can have your own potato bar or your own hot dog bar, whatever you want to do, any type of parties, you can use this. This will also be good for if you were making loaded fries. Like me and my family, we love when we go to places and they have like their loaded fries with like all these different cheeses and bacon on it. This would also be good to have like a fry bar. Like you can make a bar of anything, you know, like I said, a hot dog bar, potato bar, fry bar. You can make a bar of anything as long as you set things out. So these baskets are just perfect to use them for the parties. Now, I didn't find any of those wax paper that you can get with when you order them on Amazon and you get the 12. You also get wax paper with it, the little like paper that you get in the restaurants. Now, they didn't have wax paper at Dollar Tree, now where I saw, but they do have these napkins that you can use. So depending on what you're putting in those deli baskets, if you're putting a sandwich, if you're putting a hot dog, you could definitely just use this these napkins. But if you're doing like something like a potato where it's kind of like has heat on it, or you're doing fries, I would just say get the wax paper that's at Dollar Tree too. You can get about 65 feet of wax paper at Dollar Tree, and then you can cut it to the size that you need for these baskets, and it still comes out cheaper than if you ordered it on Amazon. Now, the next hack or tip that I want to share with you guys, it kind of goes along with if you're throwing a party. Sometimes people want to have, when they're having their dips, they want to have like their own little container when it comes to their dip, and they don't want to have to put it on the plate. So here's a little hack that you can do where everybody can have their own individual dip and chips. So in the party section, they have these water glasses. You get 5 for $1. They're so gorgeous. And basically you can take any dip that you know you have. If you have that spinach dip, if you have like a cheese dip, if you have a pico de gallo, if you have a 7-layer dip, whatever you're making it, you can either pre-make them and put them in here, or you can have it in a big container and then your individual guests can scoop it out into these little glasses. Then they take this glass and they will take them and put them into these bowls that you can get at Dollar Tree. You get 2 for $1. These bowls are pretty big and they fit perfectly. The little cups fit perfectly in the middle of them, and basically the weight of the dip will actually hold it in place, and then you could just fill the rest of the bowl with chips, and everybody has their own individual chip and dip like kind of bowl, and they're not worrying about having to like, you know, share it with anybody else. And then also they have these small plastic silver spoons that Dollar Tree also has in the party section. So if you are serving a pico de gallo or some type of dip where they need to like kind of scoop it and help, you know, because it's kind of a thick dip and they need like a little bit of help scooping it out to put on their chip, you can also add this little spoon into the dip as well for them. Now, if you've been watching like cleaning TikToks or cleaning reels, you probably have seen these cleaning microfiber slippers that women wear whenever they're cleaning their floors, because it's just a way to, you know, keep your floors clean as you're mopping or sweeping. And they go for about $10, $10 to 15, maybe $20 on Amazon, but you can make your own with just some Dollar Tree products. So go in the, I don't even know what section it is, in the clothing section, grab yourself a pair of slippers, whatever slipper you want, and then go into the car section and grab yourself a microfiber wash mitt. And what you're going to do is you are going to cut this to size and glue it to the bottom part of the slippers, and bam, you got yourself your microfiber cleaning slippers. Now, it may not look very beautiful on the bottom like the ones that you buy on Amazon, but nobody's going to see the bottom, and the whole point is for it to be some slippers that you wear while you're cleaning, so they don't have to be the best on, you know, the bottom of them, because no one's going to see them. I would suggest that when you do glue it, make sure you use a heavy duty glue so that it doesn't come off, but you could definitely just take this and it will save you so much more money than if you bought one on Amazon. Now, also on those cleaning TikToks and reels, they share a lot of products on there. A lot of them they share is like these little brushes and different brushes that you can get that can help you out, and some of them are these like these little mini brushes that cost like anywhere between $8 to $10, maybe $15 on Amazon. But I have a Dollar Tree kind of like dupe or hack for you guys. Go into the, I think it's like the health and beauty section, where it's like all the dental stuff, like the toothbrushes, the toothpaste, all that, and grab yourself a denture brush. This brush right here is so amazing because, as you can see, it has a small side and a kind of like a bigger size, but it's very fine, like a little fine brush. So it is perfect to get into those little crevices when you're cleaning that you can't normally get to with bigger brushes. Now, again, I have seen brushes similar to this selling on Amazon for, again, $8, $10, $15, but you can just grab this one from a Dollar Tree for $1.25 and use them in the kitchen, the bathroom, all over your home, because it has like 2 different size brushes that are perfect to get in those spaces that you can't normally get to. Now, another tip that I would give you is I would get like some washi tape and I would like color code them so that I would have one for the bathroom, one for the kitchen, one for outdoors, so that I'm not cross, you know, contaminating cleaning wise. I don't like using like the same rag or the same brushes in the bathroom that I use in the kitchen, so I just like to color code mine. So that's another idea you can do once you grab these brushes, because they are just white. You could just get some washi tape and just give them all their each color and then assign them to a room in your home. Dollar Tree has some cute ice cube trays this summer. One of them is a flamingo, one of them is a pineapple, but the one that I really liked was this seashell one. And you can use this for so many things, not just for ice, because it's rubber and it's so flexible. It makes whatever you make in it, it comes out very, very easy. So people have made, you know, candies with this. I've also seen people make gummies with this, but what I got it for was I wanted to use it for my toilet bombs and my shower fizzing bombs. And if you don't know what a toilet bomb is or a shower fizzing bomb, basically a toilet bomb is like a little, like, make sure that you make that you could throw in your toilet to clean it, and you can actually make it in a regular ice cube tray, but I figured that making them in these cute little seashell kind of molds, I could store it in a jar, and then the jar can be by my toilet, and then I could just grab it whenever I need it to, you know, to clean the toilet. But because it's in a jar and it's in like these little seashell shapes, it kind of makes it look like little home decor in my bathroom. So it's not like a bunch of like just regular balls or regular like shapes of a regular ice cube tray. It has like a cute little shape to it, so it could double as home decor. The same thing with the shower fizzing bombs as well. Those, they, depending on which ones you make, some of them are just like a spa light to kind of relax you. Some people make theirs so that they can clear your sinuses whenever you feel sick. If you want to see a recipe, you know, video of how to make the different shower, you know, the shower fizzing bombs or the toilet bombs, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll make that as a separate video, because you can make so many different ones with this. But like I said, you can make those bombs and stuff like that in regular kind of ice cube trays, but just putting them in a fun shape like this makes it so much prettier in a jar, and then it just doubles as home decor. Now, if you're traveling with your kiddos this summer, or even if they're at home bored, definitely pick up these adult coloring books for them. We were in Walmart the other day, me and my girls, and they actually wanted to buy one that was in Walmart. And guys, that one was like 20 bucks. And I was like, nope, nope, nope. I was like, I know Dollar Tree has some. I will get you guys some from Dollar Tree. So I actually picked up 4. I only have 3 with me right now because one of my daughters is actually coloring in one of them. But you can get so many different adult coloring books at Dollar Tree for just $1.25. You do not have to spend 20 bucks at Walmart, and you can get like different ones that will entertain the kids. And you can also get color pencils at Dollar Tree as well. So definitely do not spend that money anywhere else to buy adult coloring books, go get them at Dollar Tree. And if you have little ones, they also have those regular coloring books for them as well. So I was needing to find one of those recipe card boxes to organize all of the Simply Earth recipe cards that I've been getting from their boxes, which, by the way, I have their July box and I can't wait to share with you guys their July box. I'm super excited with the things and the new recipes that come in it. If you don't know about Simply Earth, I will leave a video down below about it. Their boxes, they're like an essential oil company that not only are they an essential oil company, but they also give you subscription boxes where they teach you about oils and they teach you different recipes every month. And I will be sharing with you guys the July one soon. But you get a bunch of different recipe cards from them, and I needed something to organize it. So I went in the school supply section to find one of these index card boxes, and I actually loved this one because I've seen index card boxes there before, but I've never seen one like this one. This one is very clear to me, and it kind of looks like that high-end clear organization that everybody loves. So I was super excited to find this one. I was only able to find one, but I was excited to find it because I needed it for my recipe cards. But then I realized once I got it, this is not only great to organize the recipe cards, but you can also organize your essential oils in here as well. So if you want to organize your essential oils by categories, you can buy a couple of these and just separate them out. And they fit, I think, about 6 of them in here. Depending on the sizes that you have, maybe even more depending on the size oils that you have. But this is a perfect, cute little organization that you can have for your, not only your recipe cards, but your essential oils as well. So another tip or hack if you're throwing a party this summer is to grab one of these essential organizers at Dollar Tree. And this one I feel is perfect for like dips, or if you are serving like different kind of like fruit when it comes to like blueberries, raspberries, or strawberries. Because of how high like the rim is, it looks like it's about 1 inch high, and there's like a 3 compartment divider, so you could put 3 different dips in it. You could put 3 different fruits in it. So this is also a great idea, not only as an organizer for your home, but you can also use it for the next party you have, for any foods that you're serving. So that is it for my Dollar Tree haul and my Dollar Tree tips and hacks and DIYs that I wanted to share with you guys today. Let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.